Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Bitget to bank account. Transfer money from Bitget to your bank account. Firstly, open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type down bitget.com and enter it. And once inside this home page of the Bitget, so from here what you need to do is you need to click onto this icon in the top right, that is your asset. So from here click onto this withdraw. From the withdraw, you need to click onto this withdraw fiat here in the left hand side. And over here, what you need to do is you need to select a currency here. And after that, you can select this USD payment method. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction and click onto this next here. And after that, you can select your bank account or add one. And you need to enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.